Hey friends, I just posted a long form video about an hour ago of a yellow watermelon challenge from the KM Mac project. Please check that out. The experts in the comments, and I will reply soon, suggest that I extract. We have no idea what this is. It feels hard and plastic. This is a damaged spot where it got stuck in the fence, but I still thought it would be okay. Let's see what happens. I'm going to try to do it with the camera. Okay, I might lose you guys. Hold on. This is harder than I thought. What is that thing? We might be okay. Okay, so that's what I extracted. Hold on. Oh, it fell. Okay, so we're not gonna see what I extracted. Yeah, it's gone. And there went the tweezers. But we might be okay. I don't know what that was, but it needed to come out. Thank you so much, Todd Saul, KM Mac Project. I read your comments and just grabbed some tweezers and ran down. Love you all. There's the stem. I'm not sure right when we're ready to harvest, but it looks like we might get one, guys. Thank you so much for the opportunity. Love you all.